Good. 5 seconds so we're nearly done.
Hi there, I'm John O'Connor, Head of Nutrition at Kerry GAA.
Hi, I'm Aoife Marie Murphy, Sustainable Nutrition Manager at Kerry Group. For the past 30 years, Kerry Group have been sponsoring Kerry GAA, supporting athletes of all levels with sustainable nutrition.
So we're here today at Kilmoyley GAA and we're going to talk to some of their young hurlers and camogie players about the risks associated with supplements and just generally demystify some nutrition myths.
Supplements can be important if you're deficient in certain nutrients, like we mentioned already, like vitamin D or omega-3s. But when we're thinking about sports supplements, particularly protein, you should really be trying to get it from your food first.
What I really wanted to make clear today is that all these aspects, I suppose, are far more important than when it comes to supplements. So supplements, when I suppose you reach a certain point, can be considered almost like the icing on the cake. So the thing we need to realise about supplements is that they are only that, they're to supplement a very good and healthy diet. Influencer types will kind of push certain supplements and particularly you're probably a vulnerable age group. The amount of followers someone has, I suppose, doesn't really indicate whether they're qualified or whether any of the information that they're putting out is anyway evidence-based.
How many grams of protein should we eat in a day?
But I'd focus more rather than hitting a number than kind of adding a good quality source to each of your meals and probably some snacks as well in and around your main meals as well to help increase your overall intake.
So John has created a really nice breakfast option that takes these nutrition recommendations into account. So we're going to head over to the Centre of Excellence to see how they're made.
So today we're going to show you a really easy breakfast recipe that's very good for young hurlers and camogie players to help to fuel themselves. Apple and cinnamon overnight oats recipe. Very easy to throw together and a really good grab and go option for when you're rushing out the door in the morning. Today we're adding a portion of fruit. We'll be adding some healthy fats with our almonds and our chia seeds, and we'll be adding a very good source of protein to our Greek yogurt. Let's get stuck into it. All you're going to want is a sealable container. A jar works really well. A lunch box with a lid works really good too. Add in our oats, apple juice or milk. Into the fridge for the night and they're ready for the morning. A tablespoon of our Greek yogurt, add our chia seeds and ensure that all the chia seeds are very well coated by the yogurt into the fridge for the night. So as you can see, the oats have soaked up all those liquids, the apple juice and the milk, and our chia yogurt has thickened up nicely as well. So we're just going to grate our apple roughly. And again, adding in the skin is going to give you some additional fibre. So now we're just going to add our grated apple and give it a mix through. We're going to add our chia yogurt on top, some of our chopped almonds, pinch of cinnamon. We're just going to add a squeeze of honey on top. And there we have it, our apple and cinnamon overnight oats. So now we're heading back to Kilmoyley to see if the players approve.
So here we have some apple cinnamon overnight oats.
They contain some fruit, very high in fibre, very good breakfast option, packed with protein and some healthy fats as well. So let us know what you think.
I would definitely make it myself. I feel like it's very tasteful and like it'd be handy for like before training and stuff.
It's a good easy breakfast or pre-match or a training snack, and I rate it 10 out of 10.
Yeah, no, actually that was very nice there. I'd like an overnight oats there for the breakfast.
So that's all from us today at Kilmoyley GAA.
So if you want to learn any more about supplements or if you want to see any more of our recipes, check out prideofkerry.ie.